So today we are going to be working on Pam. She's walking in now. So her style is maybe a few days old. So we are going to go back in and rod it with the mousse, the pomegranate and honey mousse. We are going to rod it and check it out. We are finally at the end. I just have one more piece left to do. But it took me maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes to do this whole head. And then we are going to do this last piece. And then I will let her go under the dryer and dry. And then we'll pull it apart. All right. How does it feel? Doesn't it smell good?
It smells like something else though.
Like what?
Like something, another one of their products though. Like it smells familiar, like a familiar smell.
This is the pomegranate line.
Maybe so. It smells like the other pomegranate. Then.
Yeah, this is the pomegranate and honey line.
Yeah, it smells like that shampoo then.
Right, it does. It smells like the shampoo.
Yeah.
What I like about this is it's almost customizable.
Okay.
If you want it less hold, you could spray it with water or put oil in it
kind of break
first
it down.
to break it up some. I want a little more hold, so I'm leaving it. But what I'm going to do is, when I go to pull it apart, I'll put oil and everything in my hands and then pick it apart. That way, loosen it and put oil on the hair as I'm pulling it apart. So she's done. So we'll go under the dryer, and I'll be back with the results. So now that I have poured her rods out, it's time for me to break them up some. Not going to break them up too much because I want them to last her a little longer and she's not going anywhere tonight. So I am going to take the oil and rub it in my hands and emulsify it almost like I'm applying lotion to my hands. And then I'm going to use my hands to break them up. Alrighty, so we have finally gotten to the end. I broke them up some just so that she could have a fuller look. I sort of did it, I parted it to the side. So we're going to pull it back. And this will probably last her a couple weeks. And you know what? When these get old, you just pull them up and do a different style. But now the finishing part will hit the end with a little bit of the edge control. Can you see it with this light? All right, we'll hit it with the edge control. This edge control, the pomegranate and honey, it has a little bit of extra hold, all because we know how you guys like a little extra hold when it comes to the edge control. So I actually use, I bought this. This is really a nail brush. And I use this and just put a little bit on. And the edge control gives it a really polished, finished look. Like that.
I love it. 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 Oh my gosh.
Yeah. There we go.
I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love my hair. Oh my gosh. I love it. So pretty.
All right, there you go. So this style I did, she had her hair shampooed a few days ago. And we just did this to help her style, give her something different to last her another week or so. And hope you enjoyed the video.
These curls still lasted. It's been a few days now. Wow. Nice. I like this. Nice. I love it.